Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Ford F-150 front bumper. First, gather your essential tools, including a ratchet, various sockets, and a pry tool. Always prioritize safety by parking your truck on a level surface and engaging the parking brake. For electrical safety, disconnect the negative terminal of your vehicle's battery. Remember to wear appropriate personal protective equipment, such as gloves and eye protection, throughout the entire process. Next, you'll need to disconnect all electrical and fluid connections. Start by unplugging the electrical connectors for any fog lights or other accessories integrated into the bumper. Carefully detach the wiring harnesses for parking sensors if your truck is equipped with them. Also, disconnect any washer fluid hoses that might be routed through the bumper. Finally, use a pry tool to carefully remove all plastic clips and fasteners securing the bumper trim. Now, it's time to unbolt the bumper from the vehicle's frame. You'll typically find 4 to 6 main mounting bolts securing the bumper. These are often located on the inside of the frame rails. Use a suitable socket size, which is commonly 18 or 21 millimeters, to loosen and remove these bolts. It's highly recommended to have a second person assist you in supporting the bumper as you remove the final bolts to prevent it from falling. With all the bolts and connections removed, you can now carefully slide the front bumper straight off the vehicle. Take your time to avoid scratching the paint or damaging any remaining components. Once the bumper is off, take a moment to inspect the mounting points on the truck for any signs of wear or damage. Store the bumper in a safe place where it won't be scratched or damaged. Consider replacing any worn clips or fasteners for future reinstallation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.